Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Square Appointments for booking UX improvement, complete guide step by step clearly. To improve your booking user experience with Square Appointments, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Square Appointments dashboard. Locate the Settings option on the left sidebar. Click on Settings to open the configuration menu. Find the Subscriptions section within the settings. Select Manage Subscriptions to view your current plans. Review the available subscription options offered by Square. Choose the plan that best suits your business needs. Fill in any required payment information if prompted. Confirm your subscription selection by clicking on Continue. Review the terms of the subscription for accuracy. Click Agree to accept the terms and proceed. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification of your successful subscription. Return to the Appointments dashboard to begin utilizing your new features. Explore the newly available options aimed at enhancing your booking experience. Monitor the effectiveness of these features on your overall user experience. Adjust your strategies based on customer feedback and engagement metrics. This will help ensure that your booking process remains smooth and user-friendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.